When you're ready to clear the clutter and transform your spaces, there's no better place to start than the Container Store. Welcome to the organization. I'm Julianna, a professional organizer. Clients come to me all the time wanting to organize their entire home, but they're often overwhelmed and having trouble getting started. I'm here to tell you that getting organized does not have to be a massive undertaking. All it takes is a few simple projects, and then I promise you'll build momentum from there. Today we're going to start with two of the most satisfying and easy projects, kitchen drawers and cabinets. Follow me. Most of us use our kitchens every day, and with that kind of traffic, they can get disorganized pretty quickly. Let me show you a couple of my favorite products and tips for whipping them into shape. Drawers can be a catch-all for all kinds of things, and for most people are an organizational pain point. Fortunately, the Container Store has all kinds of great options in different materials and sizes. I love these bamboo drawer organizers for their look, feel, and design. They elevate any space they're in. Plus, they're sustainable, and they come in a variety of sizes, so it's easy to mix and match. If you have deep drawers, you can even stack them. For an easy fix, these expandable acacia drawer organizers are a must-have. They're sustainable and available in different configurations for silverware, gadgets, and larger utensils. If you're looking for an option that's easy to clean and super versatile, clear drawer organizers are the way to go. I love these everything drawer organizers. I use them in silverware drawers, cooking utensil drawers, even junk drawers. Cabinets offer great storage, but are often underutilized and overcrowded. Keeping everyday basics like cooking oils and salt and pepper nearby makes cooking a breeze. I love using a divided Lazy Susan, like this one from iDesign, near the stove. I also use this same divided Lazy Susan to store sponges and cleaning supplies. And if you have a big undersink space, this larger version is a total game changer. These roll-out cabinet organizers are a great way to make your lower cabinet space more accessible. You'll never lose your pot lids in the back of a dark cabinet again. See how much of a difference completing a simple project can make? I hope this inspired you to tackle something on your to-do list. Stay tuned for more fun projects to help keep you going on your organizational journey.